Alright, we got the platform 3 here wired up to the wall socket. We're about to plug it up. We're about to see how long she lasts. It's moving a lot. Smell it. It's gonna shoot sparks, so. It's impressive, honestly. It's going about a minute now. It kind of stopped smelling. Oh no, it smells bad down here. Woo, it's getting smelly. Oh, it's smoking. Well, we should probably let it breathe. Might help. I've never seen that, man. Look at that thing just smoking and it's not blowing. It's not blowing. Oh, here it goes. There it goes.
How long did that last?
About 2 minutes. It would have gone a lot longer if I wouldn't have blocked the pole vent. I wasn't even thinking about it. If it would have been able to breathe the whole time. It's warm, feel at home. That's PSI hot. The other one is next. Stay tuned.